Sourcetable allows you to make data that you've curated in one workbook available for use in other workbooks. To do this, click on the table that you'd like to make available. Doing so will open the table sidebar. Here you can see I've already set up some filters, sorts, and column selections, and now I'd like to share this data. To do so, I'll click on the Table Settings menu, click on the Data Library option, and since I want this data to be available to my whole team, I'll click on Add to Team Data Library. In this window, I can change the name under which this data will be stored in the data library, or if I'm happy with it, just click Add. That data is now available for use in other workbooks. Let's see how to do that. Just click on Add Data and scroll down to the section Data Library. There's the data that we just made available. Click on it and click Add Table.